welcome to my channel. Today let's give a drawing makeover. Note, this is a makeup tutorial but on a drawing. Why is she so ugly? Let's give her a makeover. Well, it's not so bad. Let's apply some foundation first. Her dark circles are darker than your future. Let's cover them up with concealer. Ugh, so bushy eyebrows, let's trim them. Much better. So blank, let's give her a lens. Time to clean up her drunk eyes. Let's spray holy water. But why are you so sad? Aw, so pretty. Let's give her makeup now. Let's give her a gozo makeup look. Here comes the biggest struggle of makeup, the eyeliner. Happened? But after 5 years of struggle now I can apply equal liner. Yes, I am talented. Now time to apply mascara. Doing eyebrow. So much better now. The video was getting so long. You think makeup is easy, bro? There will be a part 2. Just wait. Bye bye for now.